Hello and welcome to part 101. In this video, we will understand what are the benefits of using events. Here are the main three benefits of using events. Events promote loose coupling between components, allowing them to interact without directly knowing each other. If you remember in the last video, we have created a stock management system. In that, we have created two entities, stock and investors, and in that system stock and investor were very loosely coupled. When we say a loosely coupled application, that means the modules of that applications are not tightly bound together, meaning the modules can work without depending on other modules. And using events we can make our system loosely coupled. Let's see what we have done in the last video. The last video we have created this application where we had this stock component and the investor component. And if you check the stock component, here nowhere we have mentioned about the investor component. It means the stock component is totally independent of investor component. Similarly, if you check out the investor class, here we have nowhere mentioned about the stock class. So the investor component is also independent of the stock component. And the linking between investor and the stock was established using the event, or we can say using the signature of the delegate. If you notice here, the signature of this method is exactly same as which we have provided here for our delegate, right? And we have basically created event based on this delegate. So we can say we have linked the stock and investor component using this kind of signature, but there is no tightly coupling between these two modules. So it means using events we can make our system more loosely coupled. Let's see the second benefit. The second benefit is that they enable a dynamic and extensible way to handle and respond to actions or changes in an application. So let's go back to application. If you see in this application, right, only the investor class is currently subscribing to the events which are happening in the stock class. But this is not a limitation. We can have as many class we want that can subscribe these events. Let's say in future there will be some other application that also wants to know the behavior of this stock. They also want to get notified when the stock price is getting changed. In that case, we can easily create one more class for that individual entity and make them subscribe to these events. It provides a lot of flexibility and extensibility. Let's see the point number 3, that is observer pattern. Okay, observer pattern is similar to, or we can say it is same as publisher subscriber pattern. Here, events are the essential for implementing the observer pattern, right? Where an object, meaning the subject or the publisher, maintains a list of dependents that are notified of state change. If you notice here, right, in this application, if I go to stock class here, this delegate will maintain a list of subscriber which are currently subscribed to this event, right? And based on this list only, it will invoke the particular subscribers event. So using this, it is very simple for us to create the publisher. So here we have created our publisher stock class, and investor is our subscriber, and we have simply subscribed to those events. So it is very easy to create observer pattern using events. So these were the three main advantages of using events in C#. In the next video, we will try to understand what are anonymous methods and what is a lambda expression in C#.